The 1969 through 1998 factory door handle pull level triggers in the door handles were originally made of magnesium. This trigger, which has two tiny holes in the actual trigger inside the handle, crack because of the brittle magnesium material. The factory solution was to replace the entire handle at a cost of $599, until eventually the problem became worse because the handles themselves were discontinued. The replacement 911 door handle triggers from EPS are made of aluminum, making them stronger and longer lasting. They don't fail over time, and best of all, they only cost $79. Even better, however, is that it doesn't require you to replace the entire door handle.